blood pressure, right. And then all of a sudden, wow, it was a little spike. It was a little different. And that happens sometimes. Sometimes it just shows up. You know, I mean, you refine, and then sometimes there it is. We really don't have any way to really predict, but we do know that by the time we're in our mid-50s, about 2/3 of us have an abnormal blood pressure. Is it that? Yeah, it is high. And in fact, 1 out of 3 adults in the U.S. today has high blood pressure. You know, and when you think about that, that means we all know somebody, right? We all know somebody that has this going on. That's right. And if you know somebody that's on medication, you know somebody that's working to bring those numbers down, you couldn't give them a better gift as a tool to help empower them to keep making those changes. And you know, it's important to be empowered because then it takes all. That's right. Yeah, if you have high blood pressure and you're just freaking out about it, that's not helping matters. But if you can assist your medical professional, give them information, all of a sudden that team can come together and you can make lifestyle changes that can help you out. And you really do lessen that fear of, oh my gosh, I've got high blood pressure.
Happy, you can't pay attention when I'm yelling to him. You know I don't yell at you too often.
Over and over again is that there are so many things that can happen to us that we have no control over, we have no power over, we can't do anything about it. This is one of
Check out the dog. He's beating himself senseless.
And you can really help yourself avoid a lot of those long-term consequences I was talking about earlier. Just quick mention too, on the 2 Flex that you see on the screen right now, it ends in about 3 minutes. So if you want to get this on for $12 or $14.98, the Flex is going to be away here in just a second. Great. We also have free shipping on this. Please think about this great gift. And it could be a gift that tremendously helps someone's life. Yes, absolutely. I think he's a big advocate of this. Nothing could be true. That is so true. Thank you. All right, we've got a lot coming up. In fact, Rob, are you ready for this? We're getting ready to start our today's special. Wow, I got to scoot over here, my man. All right, so stay on the line for the Darren and use that Flex Pay tonight while it is available along with that free shipping handling. Well, I have to tell you, the buzz has been going around our entire network waiting for this launch tonight. You're seeing tonight for the very first time something that we've never, ever done before. It's a tablet that's a whole lot more. And here it is, our launch of our...
We've created incredible man-made landscapes. We've shrunk our planet by moving faster and further. This is the modern world we've engineered. The place we call home has been reshaped within our lifetime. And that incredible pace of change across the globe has been driven by our ability to make giant leaps beyond what we thought was feasible. This combination of imagination, of ambition, of creativity, of technology, and of course, our human achievements today are drawing up a blueprint for this future. This is our home.
Happy.
From up here, it looks the same as it has done for thousands of years. But if you get a bit closer, you can see we've made huge changes. We've been busy redesigning our world. Wherever you look, welcome to the top of the world! You'll see the scale of this suicide transformation. The same way we do it back. Our generation is changing the face of the planet as never before. I'm Dallas Coleman, and I'm going to show you how we're shaping the modern world. Today we've harnessed our pioneering spirit, collaborate from Iran, and we can travel further and faster than at any point in human history. Our desire to move is inspiring some of the most extraordinary engineering projects on the planet. We're forging new connections that are changing the way we live. We are making the impossible possible. Today, we can travel all the world is suddenly within reach. Journeys that were once in a lifetime are now weekly commutes. Cars is the generation that struck the world.
Down, happy. Down. Down, happy. No, down. Good boy, happy. Bebe. Bebe.
We shrunk our planet by moving faster and further. This is our home.
Happy.
From up here,
Happy.
it looks the same as it has done for thousands of years. But if you get a bit closer, you can see we've made a huge change. We've been busy redesigning our world. Wherever you look, welcome to the top of the world! You'll see the scale of this supersized transformation. This game will be looked back. Our generation is changing the face of the planet as never before. I'm Dennis Campbell, and I'm going to show you how we're shaping the modern world. Today we've harnessed our pioneering spirit. That was Rocky Ride, and we can travel further and faster than at any point in human history. Before it is not visible for parking. Our desire to move is inspiring some of the most extraordinary engineering projects on the planet. We're forging new connections that are changing the way we live. We are making the impossible possible.
Ahí para el tambor.
No.
Today we can travel from continent to continent in a single van. It's as though we brought the whole world to our doorstep. Paris feels like a suburb of London.
Mira. Bebé. Bebé, mira.
New York's just 7 hours
Bebé.
away. It used to be a 5-day trip by boat. No. The world is suddenly within reach. Journeys that were once in a lifetime are now weekly commutes.
Bebé.
Cars is the generation that struck the world. In amongst our transport revolution, there's a real unsung hero. The road. It sounds obvious, but it's only when you take a road away that you appreciate how useful it is. And that is something I'm going to protect. With the help from the off-road world champion. We're up on Anderson in the worst weather Wales can throw at us. The test is simple. Who can get to the bottom first? Simple stuff, what do you think? Off-road versus road? I get the easy job. I just have to follow the road. You're going to go the shortest possible route like everything else off the mountain. We do it?
Yeah.
Good luck.
You know.
See you then. Going by road should allow me to go faster. But is it really going to make me a match for Rachel Atherton?
No, the cats follow the light. No, Maria.
I'm sure I have it.